Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, my friends, I'm gonna talk about how to make girls chase you. My name is Phil Heitlinger, professional flirt trainer and dating coach, and I'm going to teach you how to become a confident, charismatic and naturally attractive alpha male that gets a lot of hot girls. If you haven't done it yet, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you're having any questions about your dating life. A lot of guys ask me, how can you make girls chase? How can you get a girl more invested into you in the conversation? And how you can be more attractive to girls in general, right? And the problem is that a lot of guys think that when they learn a few pickup routines, or when they learn a few funny things to say, or when they say some cheeky stuff, or they nag the girl, or they tease the girl, that this is going to make them attractive, right? But it's just not the case, because you have to think about it like this. It's just really important for you that you become the best version of yourself, that you're working on yourself, that you're working on your goals, that you're working on your confidence, on your discipline, and everything that is going to make you a better man. Because as soon as a girl sees that you have something more important than her, that you have one thing, for example your business or your career or your family or whatever it is, just that you have something that is more important to you than the girl itself. Yeah guys, and I already know that it's really hard in the beginning when you're going up to girls, when you're learning how to flirt, when you become more relaxed and more confident, and especially in the beginning when you're really in your head, right? It's really important that you are not so nervous, not so anxious, that you don't think about all the time that you maybe fuck it up with a girl, that she doesn't like you, that she will not respond well to your approach. So make sure that you keep cool in conversation, right? So especially in the beginning when you're going up to a girl, because the girl knows that if you just go up to her in an all-day situation, real life situation somewhere, then it's really important that you are not so stressed, and you chill more, you relax more, you speak slow, you keep eye contact, and generally keep your cool. And also when you strike up a conversation and it's kind of going well, and at one point you can just leave pauses, right? It's called the vacuum. So she says something, you say something, and she's saying something again, and then she stops speaking, but you just look her in the eyes and you smile. And as soon as you do that, when you smile and you just wait until she says something, then she is investing into the conversation again, and she is kind of in the chaser mode, and that's how the girl is chasing you. Some guys also ask me, Phil, how do I make this one girl attracted to me? The thing is, you don't want to focus on a single girl, but much rather you want to become attractive to a lot of people. You want to become attractive to men and to women. You just want to be a magnetic personality, right? So that means that you build up a lot of social proof. For example, if you're going to a party and you meet some girls there, then you just talk to like every girl, you don't just focus on one girl or on one dude that you're talking to. You want to make it like this, that you have social proof. You want to have social proof. You want the girl to see that you have friends, that you have other girls in your life, that you have a cool life, that you have a cool lifestyle, that you have a cool social circle. And generally, you want to communicate, not to impress her, but you want to communicate that you have friends and especially other girls in your life. Because when a girl sees you with another girl, maybe you've seen it when you've been out with your girlfriend or with a friend, and suddenly all girls are looking at you just because you're with your girlfriend, and all the other girls are throwing like glances at you because you are with an attractive girl, or even if it's just a friend. Just other girls are attracted to social proof. If you want to know how to become confident, charismatic, and you want to know how to flirt with girls, how to make girls laugh, how to have a lot of fun in interactions with girls, so they text you back that they want to see you and even want to go on a date with you, then what I want you to do right now is that you hit like and subscribe to my channel, and of course apply for a free consultation call with us, and we are going to call you, find out if and how I can help you, and if you're a good fit, then maybe you can become one of our coaching clients, and we are going to help you to create exactly the dating and social life that you always wanted, my friends. So what I want you to do is that you apply for a free consultation call with us. Takes 2 minutes, quick form to fill out, and then we see if we can help you to get the great social life that you deserve, my friends. Have a great day.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once